Angging! Hi, Angging! Hello, say bye-bye. Bye-bye! Hi, Paris. How are you? Amrin! Say hi.
Hello.
Si Mamu. Say hi.
Lola.
Si Leia. Hi. Peros. Ganda ng bahay mo ah. Here's the bahay kubo. And another. Hi, Sab. Hi. Nandun kay ano? Wow.
Ate, kunin mo si Kang Gingging. Hindi
Tingnan
na
natin
ako
yung mga
maka-akit
freak.
yan.
Hi, Mimi.
Didilim na.
Hi. Hi, Dean.
Ready? Ready? Set. Go.
Totoo na to.
Ay, nahulog.
Pulutin, pag nahulog.
Start over.
Nakakabalik ka bro.
Hey, Killjoy. Stick is mine. Then I did everything there. That's my flag. My flag.
Is.
That's my flag. 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 Stand. Five.
Parang yung silang, oh, sa boys, oh.
Warrior drive.
Ikot pa ba tayo or last? One round up?
Hindi na.
Pinabalik ka?
Okay lang. Okay na bawang.
Okay, listen kids. Listen. The Purge pala.
Hindi, sa biggest loser natin.
Wala na ako dyan.
Biggest loser winner, biggest loser
Biggest
winner.
loser,
Ditote.
ano na tayo, hindi pa tayo nakapagtimbang pero I think very obvious na yung winner. The winner, Wonder Seal.
Dandarandandan.
Ilan tayong member? Ilan tayong pasali?
Sino
Sa Pia,
kasali? Punta
ilang
ka sa-
members?
Yung mga kasali nandito.
Ngayon na pala?
Hindi, punta muna dito yung mga sumali. Kasi i-assess natin eh.
Ano,
Pasok muna natin.
walk of shame daw, walk of shame.
Kaya picture, biggest loser.
Kaya, walk of shame.
Tapos may mag-judge if naka-lose mo rin.
Aray.
Mag-judge.
Sa Biali, kakasali ka dito. Ziad.
Ikaw yung judge kasi hindi ka kasali. Ziad.
Ako, hindi na ako kasali. Hindi rin ako kasali.
I-judge ko kayo.
Kaya, walk of shame.
Kasi sa barin, ah.
Ay, hindi, mag-rampa. Ganun.
Paano yung loser?
Pero i-ano mo na yung mga members.
Sige, parang zombie na lang nalakad.
Sige, sige.
Huwag na magdampa. Rarampa pa.
Ano lang? Hindi, sige, dito ka.
Ilan tayo?
Tignan niya if naka-lose na.
Naka-video na si Olele.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ganito lang ito, walang nakikita. Hindi ko nakikita. Ayun. Okay, go.
Okay, so on your left, we have Angking.
7.
Inshallah, biggest gainer.
Biggest gainer.
Yung siya niya nakikita.
Ay, sorry po. Sorry po.
Sige, settle less. Ano?
Tita Les, honestly, everyone here looks like they lost weight. Mashallah, alhamdulillah.
About me?
Did she
Yeah,
lost
everyone.
weight?
Huh?
Did she
Yeah,
lost weight?
I think.
Yay!
Okay, good.
Good.
Alright.
You're a winner.
Obviously.
I
Yeah.
think you loser siya. Loser.
I'm a
Loser.
loser, yeah.
Rocky, you look like you lost a lot of weight.
Yes.
Loser. Tita Leb too?
Settle din.
Maintenance lang ako.
Maintenance.
Dapat may winner.
Hindi nabawasan, hindi
Still a
na
loser, still a loser.
Sila loser, sila loser.
Tito Ate, I know he lost a lot. Kasi ang laking effort pinut niya. May gym siya, nagda-diet siya, nagji-gym siya. May trainer siya.
Whoa.
Let's keep him first.
Oh, let's keep.
Okay, Olele.
Ito lady,
I gained what I lost, so it's
Again.
the same thing.
Even.
Even.
sabihin ko lang ba't kasama siya?
Nag-lose eh, sabi.
Sobrang nag-lose.
Saura.
Laki lang na
That's
Si
true.
Zian din.
Oy, nag-exercise, nagra-running to.
Yeah.
Pero ang
And with that, the obvious winner will receive 2,100
2,100 pesos.
at Dame Nasa.
Speech. Words of inspiration.
Words of inspiration. Exactly.
Sige na, Ote. Hindi naman to naka-vlog.
Kailangan
Hindi naman
namin
naka-vlog.
how to lose weight. Inspiration.
Anong inspiration mo?
What did you do? What's your secret?
Track your calories.
Oh, you guys listen, ha?
Madali lang yan. Calories in versus calories out. So, if, for example, yung maintenance calories mo, 2,400. Minus ka lang ng 500.
Yun.
Yun dapat yung kinoconsume mo everyday. Tapos, nagdagan mo ng steps.
Steps. Ilan
10K at least everyday. Ako 15K na kasi nadadalian ako sa 10K. Tapos, strength training, weightlifting, basta anything to stimulate the muscles.
300.
Bawat sila magbibigay ng 300, singilin mo, okay?
May tag
Basta
300 ka sa...
stimulate yung muscles para ano. Kasi the more,
Anong klaseng like for example, sa bahay
Sa
lang,
wallet
ano
ko.
pwedeng gawin na weight
mga home
training?
workouts, mga YouTube videos. Kasi mas, kung mas
nakikinig
malaki
siya.
yung muscle mass mo,
Di bawal
mas
ka
madami
pumayat.
ka nalilus na
Hindi ka man magpapapayat. Hindi ka magpapapayat. Okay,
Okay, very good.
May tag 300.
What an achievement.
Yeah, that,
We are so
1
proud
month
of
lang ako
Ote.
next time.
We are so proud. It's just for 1 month.
Pwede mo na-check.
Ayan, yung mga bata, nagte-training na po sila. Ay, din. Mahulog sa'yo yan. Mahulog sa'yo yan.
They did that. Thank you.
I knew it.
Okay.
Movie.
Sino ba lahat na sagot?
Paunahan.
Siya ka naman.
Magkalaban.
Movies to, no?
2 syllables. 3 syllables.
Three syllables. One word, 3 syllables.
English?
First word, English.
Anong team to? English. Tayo boy, English.
Movie nga eh.
Rapunzel.
Ikaw mag-game. 1 sila, 0 sila. 1-0. Ako na mag-video.
Tango.
Alam mo lang kung sino yung unang nakasagot. Sila ba o sila? Ha? 1 na sila. 1.
Talo si Sabia.
Ah, 0 pa. Usap. Trial pa yun.
Okay.
Erwin yun.
Hey, kaya dito.
Okay, sorry.
Ganda na outfit ni Sabi. Okay.
Hey.
Movie.
Pusa na yung sa ano.
2 words.
second word.
2 syllables.
2 syllables. Dear diary, diary, what's it? Writing.
The notebook.
Nice. 1 point. 1 point.
Okay, 1-0.
Ano, trial?
Sa GPT.
Trial?
Grabe, dami trial.
1 point na yun.
Sorry, losers.
Walong prize.
Sorry, losers.
Hey, movie.
3 words.
English.
Third word.
Third world count syllables.
The Running Man.
Running.
Third word,
is running. Escape. Walking.
The Forrest Gump.
Second word.
Ano yun?
Second word.
Looking.
Sea Jog.
Looking, finding, explore.
Nice.
The Finding Nemo.
Finding Nemo.
Finding Nemo.
Finding 3 words sila.
Finding Nemo.
First word.
Second word.
Second word, 1 syllable.
Look.
See.
See.
Find.
Lost.
Lost. And found.
Think.
Oh, see.
Wonder. Choose.
Wonder Man.
Third word. First word. Third word. Run.
The Flash. The Flash.
Cute girl running.
Running.
So parang running. Ano ba yan?
The Running Shop.
Jag.
Cute girl in her pajamas.
Me. I.
First word. What
Third word. I'm running. Person running.
Third learn.
Run.
Person running.
Jog.
Person running.
Person running.
Oh, anong meron sa person
Ayun,
running?
nagsasabi.
Sa BA is Running Man.
They're running.
Dali, ba't nakatago ka dyan?
Goodwill hunting. Goodwill running.
Jurassic.
Okay, you can say one word
Jurassic
na clue.
Titanic.
One word clue.
You guys are saying the right words, but different, like,
Runner. The
The Maze Runner.
Let's go.
Dapat may is ganun.
Push the flag!
Okay, let's do na
Push
yung...
the yank! Let's do
Regular.
Let's do regular.
Easy work, you say.
Okay, give up na sila sa...
Okay, so
Let's do the regular na.
regular na lang.
From one, ano sa inyo mag...
Yeah.
Si ako muna.
One will,
From ano?
one.
So si Sabia yung
Okay,
gagawa.
boys first.
Ziad, go.
Sabia, you're
Sabia,
gonna
you
give
will
the
start.
ano.
5 words.
Cute fat guy.
Wala pa nga yung word.
wait, lang.
One
1
word.
minute, 1 minute, 1 minute!
Ay.
1 minute starts now.
One word.
Ano yung differentiate movie at saka ano? Shows?
TV show, movie.
Okay.
Baliktad.
Movie. One word.
One syllable.
Malino siya agad.
TV show. One
One
syllable.
syllable.
English.
Friends.
Galing niya. Talo kayo nito.
Gumanon lang. Okay, next. Sino sa inyo?
Ilang points? Can you count your points?
3-0. Girls, keep up kayo. Go, mami.
Ikaw, Lili. Bigyan mo yung
Doon ka daw, Lili. Halika na. We need you.
Unfair na kasi.
Kahit na...
Wala, napatlong day. Saan na day? Wala lang napalong.
Dili na mapalong. Nag-kuan lang. Nag-lock screen lang. Ano.
Why did everyone jive?
Let me choose.
Saan nag-kuan? I-appeal siya ha. Dili ka sa kuan.
Ba't yung siya pinapapili?
Ay, bawal magpili kayo makikita.
Bangit na yung iba.
Hindi, I'll change it. Kasi,
Sige.
Yan, ganon.
Oh, yan. Ganyan. Para kita lang.
Oh, stars.
Paano na-guess niya tayo? Paano mo na-guess na gano'n? Kilala ko siya.
okay. Wait, pag magagas ba kasama sila sa magagas or kaya lang magagas?
Pwede mag-steal.
Okay. Pwede
After 1 minute.
pwede
Pag
mag-steal.
hindi namin maano, magsisteal.
1 minute.
One
Isang oras
minute.
wala pa rin.
1 minute starts now.
2 words.
Words. English.
Movie. First word. One syllable.
Angry. Mad.
Mad hat. Mad hat.
Angry.
Second word.
One syllable.
Hair.
Me. Huh? Me, I'm.
Wig.
Angry.
Angry Mad Max.
Mad Lady. Lady.
Woman. Girl. Mad girl. Mad.
Sad girl.
Tagal nun, ha?
Okay, 1-1.
Parang 10 seconds pa lang alam na namin. 10 seconds pa lang alam na namin.
Oh, may ano, may ano.
Should we change instead of ano?
3-1.
Si
3-1.
Okay, ito. Rolling in the deep.
Should we change genre?
Parang forward.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
I'm not.
Hindi na ako makaroon dito.
Okay. White na yung music.
Okay.
Yeah, we lock in.
It's okay, we have our girls here. Right, Paris?
Iba na yung meaning.
Yeah.
Iba na yung meaning. Ano, chick ba na yung meaning?
Akala ko ano yung nga yung ano?
Tinawag na si
Ano nga yung horror na ano? Turn, di ba ganun?
No, when they're done with the 1 minute, then they have a chance to speak.
Kilala.
Okay, game, kaya.
Wait lang. Okay, 1 minute start.
Natawag mo si
Now.
Tita Lady.
Oh, you also look at
Movie. English.
6 words.
First word.
10
syllables?
First word, 10 letters.
10.
10.
10.
Oh!
10 things I hate about you.
Talo kayo kayo, Tet.
Dati.
10 things I hate about you.
Alright, so
It's really
We have to watch it.
You have to watch. Year 1999. Sino next? Ikaw, ako na.
Pinanood mo na.
Yeah, you can do this.
You can't.
Okay, kayo naman, guys.
Steal natin.
You become emo.
Ako,
1 minute start.
Wala pa si Lady.
action din.
nagsalamin yung lola namin. Tinatawag ni Aidin eh. Ano yung baby?
Hello, 1 minute starts now.
Movie. 3 words. Second word. 2 syllables.
Quiet.
Silent.
The Quiet Place.
Let's change genre.
Sobrang hirap.
Iba naman na genre.
Easy. Hindi, ano na, pahirap ng pahirap.
Oo, marami.
Easy, medium, difficult. O ibang genre na lang kasi mas
movies.
mahirapan tayo.
Songs.
Oh, songs.
Talo tayo kay Robert.
Ay, songs.
Hindi, ando si Nana.
Songs.
Hard na yung mga kids.
Ayun, mama.
Wala
Kung alam ng mga songs na.
Wala na alam ng songs. Ang alam ko lang naman. Hindi yung songs, yung parang lahat pwede makaano.
Marami pa naman movies and series. Marami pa.
Okay. Not necessarily difficult. Yung mga Netflix na movies.
Crucify or ano nilalagay sa farm para hindi ano.
Okay na yan, Leila.
Akala ko scarecrow. Hindi na, okay na.
Okay na.
Kasi kami ano.
Ihatid mo ito kay Naina.
Next, boys.
Okay, so what are the signals again?
Padaan ko muna.
You can do it.
First word. 2
2 syllables.
2 syllables.
Jurassic Park.
Second word.
Second word.
2 words. 2 words. Okay. It's okay, dude. First word.
2
2 syllables. Mirror.
Mirror. Frame.
Frame.
Okay, mag-steal kayo.
Glasses. TV. Keep acting, Aidin. Don't
2
give up.
syllables.
Short.
Sitting.
Tinuturo niya. Or you're putting mommy.
Paris.
Ay, di. Relax. Let's go. First word.
The French
Jumping.
maker.
Hunger
Boy,
Games.
jumping boy and pointing to the sun.
Okay. Steal.
Little Women.
Ah.
Little Women.
Women.
Little women.
Tapos girls.
See. What? Look. See.
Look.
Watch. Yeah, you can't see me.
Now you see me.
Now you see me now.
Now you see me.
Now you
Ask
see
me
me.
if you can.
Next one.
Galing nga din.
Now you see me?
Now you see me.
3 words.
Tagalog.
First word.
First word.
Tagalog.
First word.
Hi.
Bakit?
Hello, love, goodbye.
Ang dali.
Oo naman, si Alden.
Si ano yun?
Beginner's luck.
Gabi Conception.
Boracay for mayor.
Ganito, hindi ganyan. Ganito. Dapat may pops. Wala.
Hindi mo ako kasama.
I was telling you guys. 1 minute.
3 words. 3 words.
First
First word.
Tagalog,
English.
English word.
1 syllable. 1. 3 hill. Third word.
Third word. Prayer.
Silent.
One little prayer.
1 syllable.
Pray.
1.
And prayer.
1.
One.
Second word.
Second word.
1 syllable.
One.
1.
One.
1. Ano yung 1? Movie na may 1. Ano yung movie na may 1?
Movie to na movie.
Tagalog. 1.
More chance.
1 more chance. Yay.
Yay!
1 minute starts now.
3 words.
Maybe this time.
Third word.
First word.
English.
Down.
Rain. Falling.
Fall.
Falling for you.
Fast. Raining.
Raining.
In
First word.
Winning in Manila.
Rain.
How many words? How many words first?
4 words.
First word.
Two syllables. Three syllables.
English,
4
Tagalog.
syllables.
English, Tagalog.
English. 4 syllables.
Ang first
Or
word.
First word. 3 syllables.
What?
4. Tama, sabi ya? Mali. Tomorrow.
It's only 2.
2 syllables.
2 syllables.
English?
English.
Sinay ko yung classes. Antiga.
Rapping.
And
No talking.
Drive.
Thinking. Smiling.
Dida.
Ay, hindi. Akip. Insert mo yung shirt niya kasi mahanginan. Rolling?
Rolling into the
Rolling mo tayo. Rolling.
Looking. Founding. Mag-steal kayo.
It's okay. It's
At
okay.
least you tried.
You still.
Hindi ako nanood.
Never ever again.
First word.
Ano yan? Jump.
Party. First word.
Ba't si Oraki, si Oti na lang yung
Jumping.
Party.
Jumping kid. Bouncing boy.
Fourth
word.
Fourth.
bouncing boy.
It's a healthy bounce.
Party in the USA?
Sabi mo?
Party in the USA.
English. 2
words.
First word.
Baby.
Baby love.
Second word.
Baby fish.
Baby shark. Nice. Baby shark.
First word. Talk. You.
Syllables.
Buling.
2 syllables.
Uy, mag-steal kayo.
Laughing. Bullying.
Girls.
Women.
Girls. Ladies. All the single ladies. All the
Single lady. 4 words.
Fourth word.
Fourth word.
Third word. Third word.
Ano yung yung ano?
Wala.
Okay. 5 words.
English.
First word.
No.
No.
Don't.
Never.
Sige na, uy.
Never.
Ang galing ni ID na.
Let's go.
Six, 7.